Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Chase app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Chase app and you will enter here. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. Here Play Store. And then you can update your app if you find the update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and